how a personal loan can actually improve a position that you're in. When you actually get approved for a personal loan, this is what's called installment debt. That means that you have fixed payment monthly and there's actually an end date. Maybe it could be 3 years with 36 months, or even 5 years, 60 months. So depending on what your monthly payment is, and depending on what your interest rate is, you could even be paying half of what your overall credit card monthly payments are. So let's say you get approved for a personal loan and you're gonna wipe out all your credit card debt. Now your credit card debt goes from revolving, which hurts you and affects more than you think, okay, which is 30% of your credit score or 165 points, and now gets rolled over to installment, and it doesn't hurt you like revolving debt. It's just the way it is. It's the way that the game is played when it comes to credit cards or credit scores. So if you're shifting that from revolving to installment, your credit scores are gonna shoot up, because this ultimately lowers your credit utilization. Okay, so now you're making one monthly payment to your personal loans, your credit cards, you're leaving alone, you're not adding more credit card debt to them, and that's ultimately gonna put you in a better position down the road, because as it increases your credit score, let's say if you were used to paying $300 to $400 to $500 a month on credit card debt, and your personal loan is only $125 a month, it gives you a little bit more breathing room, but you could also double or triple up payments when you're able to. But the great thing is you're not forced to, because you know that, hey, in 3 to 5 years, this loan is gonna be paid off and I'm done.